In this tutorial video, we will use the Unreal Engine 5 game engine to take Google Maps coordinates and apply example. DMX, lighting on more realistic architectural structures with Cesium. Step 1. We search for Cesium for Unreal on Google, and I recommend thoroughly reviewing the page that appears. We click on the Download from UE Marketplace button and then type Cesium into the search bar in the Marketplace. Step 2. After installing, we open our Unreal Engine 5 program. We name our project file. I recommend researching Unreal Engine's file naming conventions to avoid any issues in the later stages of your projects. A pre-prepared DMX project map file appears, but we are creating a new map. Step 3. We go to Google Maps and search for Eiffel Tower, Paris. We right-click on the map point that appears and paste the coordinates into a notepad on our computer. These will be the coordinates we use in the maps. After that, we click on the settings in the top right corner of Unreal Engine. Go to Plugins, check the Cesium plugin, and then restart our computer. Our plugin has now appeared in the left panel. We click on the plugin, and in the window that opens, you log in with your Epic or Google account. If you haven't registered yet, please sign up and try again. Click once on the 3D Google Realistic Photos tab on the left. In the window that opens, maps are now added to our Unreal Engine project file. In the next step, we insert the coordinates from the notepad we prepared earlier as I demonstrated. Yes, our maps of Paris, France have been loaded, so enjoy exploring the city. We will now locate the Eiffel Tower and start working on it. The Eiffel Tower looks amazing. Let's take a stroll around and explore a bit. It's such an enjoyable process. We open the content drawer and create a new folder within it to keep our contents organized. This will help categorize our project files and make them more accessible in the future. We right-click with the mouse, and in the window that opens, we navigate to the DMX section and select DMX Library. This library will allow us to set up and use DMX lighting within our project. We enter our DMX library and open the settings from there. This step will allow us to configure the lighting parameters and set up our DMX devices. We reset the input and output ports, then click the plus sign. After that, you'll see the ArtNet protocol. We set the network IP address to 0000 and configure the universe value to 0 for connecting with the matrix. At this stage, we are creating the matrix product. Let's follow the steps carefully, as this is a crucial part for the successful completion of the project. Once the ArtNet protocol and universe settings are correctly configured, we can establish a seamless connection with the matrix. We configure our product with 3 channels set to RGB. This will allow us to control the red, green, and blue color channels and properly set up the lighting effects. We save the project map to our DMX folder and give it a new name. This helps keep the project organized and makes it easier to access later. At this stage, we go to Plugin folder, place our Matrix actor, and paste it into the folder we prepared. We click on the product, and in the DMX section, we link it to the library we previously prepared using DMX. You can set the product's dimensions to any size you prefer. At this stage, you can adjust the scaling and DMX settings based on the project's needs and your aesthetic choices. At this stage, we will be placing the products, and this might take some time. After all, we are working on a project as close to reality as possible, and much of it depends on your imagination. I'm quickly placing the products, but the details are up to your creativity and how you envision the final look. Now that we've placed our products, we need to match the number of channels in the DMX library according to the quantity of each product. After correctly aligning these channels, we will proceed with automatic addressing. This step is crucial to ensure that all our DMX devices can be controlled properly. It seems we have a total of 112 products. Now, we need to adjust the number of channels in the DMX library according to this quantity. After that, we'll proceed with automatic addressing to make it easier to control all the products. After performing the automatic addressing, always double-check everything. This step is crucial because incorrect addressing could cause issues in the project. Proper addressing ensures that the DMX system functions smoothly. Step 4. we open the Madrix Lighting Control program. This program will be used to control our DMX lighting systems and manage the lighting effects in the project. With the right configuration, we can direct the lighting exactly as desired. We open the patch editor, select all the products, and delete them. Then, we will reassign the products. At this stage, I'm demonstrating how we integrate Matrix into Unreal Engine, not how to use Matrix itself. Always carefully verify that the number of products and their addresses match those in the DMX library. This is crucial to avoid any inconsistencies in the project. In the Madrix program, we define the boundaries of our product map to ensure that the animations function properly. This step ensures that the lighting effects are correctly positioned and run smoothly within the project. At this stage, we create an ArtNet protocol to link Madrix with Unreal Engine. For this project, one universe will be sufficient, allowing us to control all DMX devices within a single universe. As I mentioned earlier, to connect the Madrix lighting control system, we need to set the universe in Unreal Engine to 0. This step is crucial for ensuring proper communication and smooth control. Great, our pairing is complete. Don't forget to add the post-process volume into your project map in Unreal Engine to have full control over all settings. This will give you complete control over visual effects and lighting adjustments within the project. Yes, we've completed the necessary adjustments. Now, let's group all the products we've set up to make our workflow smoother and faster. I'll move quickly through this step, as grouping simplifies managing the project. Great! We've reached the end of another tutorial video. It was a pleasure working through this project together, and I hope you enjoyed following each step of the process. If you'd like to see more creative lighting projects and learn about new techniques with different perspectives, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. I will continue doing my best to inspire you and be a valuable resource. See you in the next video, and take care.